So children, today we will learn add sound. Okay. A, D, add. What is the phonic sound of A is A and D is D. Together we will say add. Okay. Now we will join D here. Okay. Now what is the phonic sound of D is D. D A D, dad. D A D, dad. Okay. Okay. Now see here. This is the flashcard of dad. Yes, this is the flashcard of dad. Okay. Now we will join another one. Okay. Now we will join here S. Okay. Now see here. What is the phonic sound of S is S, A, D. S, A, D. Sad. S, A, D. Sad. Okay. Now this is the picture of sad. This is the picture of sad. Okay. Now we will join another word here. Okay. Now we will join L here. What is the phonic sound of L is L. L A D, lad. L A D, lad. Okay. Now this is the picture of lad. L A D, lad. L A D, lad. Okay. Now we will join another word here. Now we will join P here. What is the phonic sound of P is Pa. Pa, A, Da. P, A, D. Pad. P, A, D. Pad. Okay. Now this is the picture of pad. P A D, pad. Okay. Now we will join another one. We will join here B. What is the phonic sound of B is ba. Ba, A, da. B A D, bad. B A D, bad. Okay. Now this is the picture of bad. B A